Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a haul, and it's a shopping haul that I didn't shop for, and it's stuff I bought from Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter's sale she had with me, and we're gonna get started. Some of this stuff you're gonna be like, I didn't see that on sale. It's because I asked her to pick it up for me. So the first thing is I asked her to pick these up for me. I will kind of tell you when I know that it's things I had her picked up for me. It's giant bottle caps from the Dollar Tree. Mine haven't got these in. So I asked Sabrina when I noticed her store had them. She could pick me up 9 of them, which she happily did for me. So aren't they cool? And I will show you what I plan on doing with these down the road. I have to have them to come into town to help me. So them are cool. And I'm just grabbing. And she had this in her sale. And it's a precision tip. Look at that. And then she had this in her sale. I got these for a buddy of mine that plays guitar, him and his son. So I'm hoping I could use them. If not, I'll tell him I want them back because I'll craft with them. And then I bought this for Allison. This was in the sale. And let's see, 135 pieces. Look at all that. The charms, the stars, the beads. I don't know if it comes with a little container or not, but let's see. Contains 60 alphabet letter beads, 7 stylish beads, 2 charms, clear elastic cord, jump rings, instruction, and play tray. Oh, so it comes in with that tray. That's cool. So I got that for Allison. And then I've been looking for these butterflies. I've had them. Then I destashed a few. And I was kicking myself in the butt because I'm thinking I could get more in. Come in my store. And they have it. So this is the purple. I know there's a few of these in here she picked up for me. The purple. So that's something she picked up for me. And let's see. And oh, these were from the sale. Everything you kind of see with the tags on is from the sale. Little cute little, let's look at these die cuts. So we got a little fox, aren't you cute? Little hedgehog, an owl, a raccoon, a squirrel, and a skunk. So cute. Excuse me. Cute, 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 cute. And then let's see. Here's some more of those picks. And then she found the dies. So I got the heart, the border, the flower border, the zigzag and like rainbow shaped border, the leaves, the corners. Cool. These are ones that I asked if she saw she could grab for me. It's like the suitcase, the bottle, the keychain, the corners. Like that. Flower vases. Cool. The books. A lot of stickles. The moped, the Paris, the record player, the instruments, the phone, the camera, the sewing machine, the light bulb, cameras, the roses, more instruments. Okay. Them are so cool. And this is from the sale. And it's Tim Holtz's pictures. Let's check these out. They're like them. It's kind of cool. That one. And this one. That's pretty. That one. They're kind of hard to see, so hang on a second. Let me get a piece of paper. Oh. There's like a rainbow. Well, that doesn't help much better. I guess so. That's cool. And then this. There we go. That looks easier, hey? city skies, part a road with flowers, trees, another road. These are cool. Lake, water scenery, road scenery. Look at that one. Winter scenery, city skyscrapers, here downtown. It's like downtown Green Bay. It's old school downtown. New York, I believe. Them are cool. I can't wait to play with these. Oh, look at that skyline. I wish I could paint like that. Them are cool. Well, my new Dollar Tree opens tomorrow, supposedly. So I'm hoping I can go check it out. It's supposed to have a bigger craft section. My gal Tara told me, which she's running this. She made a manager of the store, which is this store that's opening. So I don't know if I'll have my connection as well as I used to now. If she's a manager, she probably still will be. It's just Tara's cool. Oh, come on, there we go. Oh man, come on. Struggle a bit. Always get it out. Never get it back in. Alright. Next thing is she had these. They're the chipboard pieces. I thought they were cool. Of the people, I'm not going to take them all out, but they're the chipboard. Down. Alright. And then she found these. I was so stoked. Look, I love the country look of these. I would love to find these, all these stickers, but big for the wall. You know, like those ones that you can buy. But this would be so cool. And look at the, because look at this. This is totally my kitchen right here, just in this one, right there. Dang it. And then, ooh, look at the pretty butterflies. Blue butterflies and pink butterflies. Cool, cool, cool. And then she had this. She knows I like doing these. She asked if I wanted it. I said yep. So that. And then, oh, I didn't know about these. Oh, got the truck. Oh, two of them. Two metal trucks. Awesome. I still have to do something with the other ones I have. It's like, what can I do with them? And then, oops, small guitar picks. And then, we'll sit back for a second. And then she had this, which is a limited edition. It's a travel journal kit, and it came with the journal, the stamp, the pen. Wow, I couldn't think there. Check this out, guys. Christmas. So, it's by Heidi Swap. Look at this nice box. Oh, look at this ribbon. And a and from Tag in here. That's kind of cool. So if you gave it as a gift. But how would you know that was in there? They put it on the bottom. Okay. So it's a traveling journal. I love doing these. Wow. Great. Hey, I'll hang on a second. I'll answer you in a second. This is this nice traveling journal. That's cool. You got the that type. I forgot what they call that. Grid paper, maybe. And then some plain ones in the back. Oh, I guess not. Grid through all the way. Just the back sheets. So that's cool. And then you got the ink, the pen, and the stamps, little banners, reminder, done, to do, goal today, note, busy, urgent, and then all a clock, a present, a camera. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. Cart, an arrow, an airplane, a heart, little hashtags and stuff. So that's cool. I got paid $3 for this. I don't remember. I don't care. I don't pay attention. I just bought it. And then she had these bags of goodies. I like bags of goodies, guys. And she made these up. So let's check this one out. I got a small one and a big one. Let's see. So you got some images of people. That's cool. Some playing cards. Flinch. That's a new one. I've never heard of that. It's very vintage looking. Oh, this looks like okay. Them are cool. And then I can't even say it. Geography. Here's another playing card. Them are cool. Make good ephemera. See, geography, words, history, science. Oh, look at the little bitty cards. Science, movies, sports, geography. And then there's like this playing money, which is cool. Awesome ephemera. Awesome ephemera. Some trivia, are they trivia? Yep, trivia pursuit cards. Oh, little game pieces. Some play money. Awesome colors. Some more cards. Dealer's choice. Insurance policy. Sell a car. Blue book price. That's kind of cool. And then there's this original blue book. That's cool. And then there's these. Garage sale. Some more playing cards. That's cool. These are cool. That's the smaller bag I bought. And then there was the bigger bag. Let's check it out. So you got some more play money, some playing cards. These cards are cool. And these cards. Little game pieces. More play money. A bunch of these. These are cool size. I like this size. I'm going to have to play with these. More play money. Playing cards that say flinch. I don't know what flinch is. And let's see. And more. And look at this. This is cool. The VW Bug box. That's kind of cool. And then look at this cool United States flag. Must be for some game. Some more cards. And a couple little checkers and game pieces. Awesome bag. Awesomeness in there. Oh, hang on. Break this down. Fun is getting in the box of stuff that you kind of know looks totally different when you get it, you know? And then you have to put it all away. And then there's this Series 4 World Trivia Game. And there's questions on this. On each side, I think. Let's pick one. Let's see. World Trivia. Alright. And, oh, the answers are on the bottom. Okay. World Trivia. Name the highest ranking group in the traditional Indian castle system. And the answer is Birmingham. In which country is Aswan Dam located? Whoop! Man, maybe we'll do trivia on my channel for prizes. What do you guys think? Let's use this. Okay. Who went around the world in 72 days in 1890? And the answer is... Okay, was that number 2? Nellie Bryan. Oh no, is that... Yeah. Nellie Bryan. Cool. That's kind of cool. I might save that. Maybe we'll do some trivia prizes on my channel. People can try to guess. So, and then the last but least thing is... close this up so this doesn't get all over. And Sabrina told me about this. It's called Go Viral Follow Me Blogging Kit. And she saw it on clearance at Walmart, I believe. She told me about it, and I told her, why don't you see another one, grab one. It comes with a universal microphone, foldable grip tripod, 36 LED video light, smartphone grip, wireless shutter remote. I think it was like only $8. So I said, yeah, I'll take one of those. So let's see how it works. But I didn't have like one hand when I walked around and anything. So that is all my stuff that I purchased from the sale and stuff that Sabrina was nice enough to pick up at her local Dollar Tree for me that I couldn't find at mine. I always call her my personal shopper. I mentioned it, say, do you know if they have this? If they do, can you grab it? I'm always putting money in her PayPal. Look at all that stickers and dies. I got the dies. Ain't that cool? I love these. Stephanie showed these, and I'm like, man, I don't got them. So I was telling Sabrina, and she's like, I do. So that is I should call it a Dollar Tree haul. So 90% of it's Dollar Tree. So I want to thank you, Sabrina, for always picking stuff up for me when I can't find it. And awesome on a sale. She had great deals. Probably have one in the future. So look forward to that. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.